First, take a look at this video. You would not believe this video is not real. This video is completely AI generated. Yes, you heard that right. No camera, no crew, nothing. Just pure AI magic. The tool behind this is Seedance 2.0, and today I am going to show you exactly how I created this. You can also create this type of video effortlessly. So without further delay, let's dive in. Hey, this is Shujat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0. Welcome to the Seedance homepage. I will provide the link to this website in the video description. This is Seedance 2.0, an AI video generator that supports text, image, audio, and video references with precise motion consistency and immersive audio-visual output. With this tool, I can create cinematic AI videos using unified multi-model control. From here, we can explore two powerful features: reference generation and text-to-video. In reference generation, I can upload my own assets and generate videos by simply entering a prompt related to those assets. Now, if we click on Model, we can find two options: Seedance 2.0 Fast and Seedance 2.0 Pro. You can select one based on your need. We can also choose the aspect ratio from a wide range of available options. On top of that, we can extend the video length up to 15 seconds, which is honestly one of the best features of this tool. You can also browse the Seedance 2.0 creation section, where other creators have produced outstanding cinematic clips. All of these videos are AI generated, and trust me, you can create the same quality content easily and effortlessly. Seedance 2.0 is the future of AI video generation. It is built on a unified multi-model architecture that lets creators combine text, images, audio, and video as references and editable inputs. It enhances motion stability and audio-video synchronization to deliver ultra-realistic results. With advanced multi-model referencing, it gives you complete director-level control. Just describe your vision in natural language, and the system executes it with precision. And wait, the best part is still coming. Let me show you how to create a cinematic AI video in just 3 simple steps. First, upload your asset, an image, audio, or text as your creative foundation. Second, describe your vision by writing a clear prompt and specifying the role of each asset. Third, hit generate and refine your video using Seedance 2.0 controls. It is that simple. Seedance 2.0 is also being used across different industries for marketing, advertising, film previsualization, and social media content creation. You can also find other Seedance models at the top of the page, such as Seedance 1.5 Pro, Seedance 1.0 Pro, and Seedance Prompt Guided. Now let me show you the reference generation feature in action. I click on Reference Generation and upload my asset. You can upload up to 12 files, including images, videos, and audios. I select my image and click Open. Once uploaded, I can see a man climbing on a mountain. In the prompt bar, I type steep mountain climb. I then select Seedance 2.0 Pro as my model and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. I also push the video duration to the maximum 15 seconds. Once everything is set, I click Generate and wait a few seconds. The result is absolutely breathtaking. Every single detail in the video perfectly matches the prompt I entered. I can even hear crows cawing loudly in the background, which adds an incredible sense of realism. I can view the model details on screen, share the video directly to social media, or simply click download to save it. Once downloaded, I play the final result. And it is outstanding. Nobody will believe this video was generated using AI with Seedance 2.0. Now let me show you the text-to-video feature. I click on text-to-video and enter a detailed prompt, a high-speed Hollywood-style car chase on a busy city highway, where multiple police cars with flashing red and blue lights are aggressively chasing a villain driving a black car. I select Seedance 2.0 Fast as my model, choose 16:9 as the aspect ratio, and set the duration to 15 seconds. I click Generate and wait patiently for a few seconds. Once the video is ready, I play it. And the result is truly impressive. Everything in the video is based on my prompt. The characters are consistent, and the motion control is incredibly smooth throughout the entire clip. On the right side of the canvas, I can see details like the model used, resolution, and generation time. I click Download to save the video and play the final result. It is incredible. I can clearly see the villain driving a luxury car, while police cars with flashing red and blue lights chase him through a busy city highway. The level of detail is just unreal. With the help of this advanced AI video generation tool, anyone can create such videos effortlessly. From now on, say goodbye to expensive video production tools and start using Seedance 2.0 for all your creative needs. That is how you create cinematic AI videos easily and effortlessly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.